Ready to uncover the truth about the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus? Let's dive into the questions most people are afraid to ask. Picture this. Your driveway suddenly bathed in light, crystal clear video streaming to your phone, all triggered by a single footstep. That's the promise of Ring's latest offering. But what's really under the hood? We're talking 108 OPHD video, motion-activated LED floodlights that'll make you think it's high noon at midnight, a siren loud enough to wake the neighbors, two-way talk, two-chat, or scare off visitors, customizable motion zones, and Alexa integration. Plus, it's wired for constant power, no battery swaps needed. Now, let's tackle those burning questions. Do I need to pay extra just to save my videos? I get it. No one likes hidden costs. But yes, you'll need a Ring Protect subscription to store and review clips. Without it, you're limited to live viewing only. Will the floodlights trigger for every passing car? Not if you don't want them to. The Ring app lets you fine-tune motion zones, so you can focus on your property and ignore the street. Is night vision really in color? Absolutely. When those floodlights kick on, you'll see the world in full color, even at 2 a.m. No lights. It switches to infrared for clear black and white footage. What if my Wi-Fi is weak outside? You'll need a strong signal or an extender. Weak Wi-Fi means delayed alerts and choppy video, not ideal when you're trying to catch porch pirates. Can wind or rain trigger false alerts? It's possible. Heavy wind can sway branches and set off the lights. But Ring's smart motion detection helps cut down on those 3 a.m. leaf blew by notifications. Now, let's talk real-world performance. Installation is straightforward, but remember, this isn't a plug-and-play gadget. You'll be dealing with electrical wiring, so if you're not comfortable with that, call a pro. The app setup is a breeze, and long-term users report solid durability. Just keep in mind, while it's not the top-tier Pro model, you're still getting a robust security solution. Here's the bottom line. Friend, if you're after reliable, wired, all-weather security with powerful lighting and clear video, the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus is a solid choice. Just remember to factor in that subscription cost. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your home is watched over 24/7, rain or shine. That's what Ring is offering here. It's not perfect, but for many, it's exactly the guardian they need.